Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about Senseonics SENS stock price targets and SENS stock price predictions. First, we will address how large Senseonics' addressable market is, then we will deduce how much of that market Senseonics can obtain compared to their competitors, which should allow us to calculate how high their stock price is projected to grow this year and the years to come. We will also look over some analyst stock price forecasts along with a quick summary of their technology, and lastly we will conclude the video with what it means for investors that Senseonics stock will join the Russell 3000 index. Go and press the like button right now for more SENS stock videos, comment your Senseonics price prediction down below, turn on subscription notifications if you are new, and now let's make you some free money with Webull. Webull is a free brokerage app where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies, but right now you can get 2 free stocks with Webull. You can get the first free stock, which can be worth anywhere from $2 to $250 for just creating an account, and you can get a second free stock, which can be worth up to $1,600 if you invest $100 or more on your first deposit. You will have a 1 in 100 chance of getting stocks like Facebook, Starbucks, or Snapchat, and you have a 1 in 50 chance of getting stocks like Google or Procter & Gamble. To get this offer, just press on the link in my description box down below, but do it quickly because this offer will not last forever. And without further ado, let's get into today's stories. Senseonics SENS stock has been in the headlines for many months thanks to Robinhood and Reddit, who continue to push the stock higher to where the SENS stock price has surged over 800% in the last 12 months. It went from a mere penny stock all the way up to $5.56. There are many meme stocks, but Senseonics transcends that whole category because unlike meme stocks, SENS actually has real potential beyond mere speculation. Senseonics' Eversense continuous glucose monitoring system is way ahead of their many competitors who also have CGM technology, which will allow SENS to obtain larger revenues and a larger market share. Senseonics' Eversense CGM system was marketed as the first long-term implantable glucose sensor. This type of technology is imperative for individuals with diabetes so they can receive accurate real-time glucose data so they know when to take insulin. Senseonics' Eversense system comes with an implantable sensor, a phone app, and a smart transmitter which can alert its user when glucose levels are out of control. Most of the current CGM systems by competitors only last 1 to 2 weeks before they either need to be removed or replaced. However, Senseonics' system can easily last 90 days, and their 180-day system showed great results, which caused the stock price to skyrocket over 40%. Now, the 180-day system still needs FDA approval in the United States, but I think they will easily get that, and then after FDA approval, they can launch a 360-day test. According to the World Health Organization, 422 million people worldwide have diabetes, and the number continues to rise. So Senseonics can easily help a lot of people with their technology, which gives SENS a huge addressable market. The CDC reports that 1 in 3 American adults are pre-diabetic, which means that they can develop type 2 diabetes. The projected value of this industry could reach $41.71 billion by 2027, with the largest market being located in North America. With a market of this magnitude, major competition is sure to enter, and according to the Wall Street Journal, there are around 200 companies that are developing glucose monitoring systems as we speak. Even with that being said, Senseonics is still in a great position to capture a large portion of this market because of their 180-day system, which is currently pending for approval, which puts them much further along than many of their competitors. CGM systems can also be used for other things. For instance, a genetic professor at Stanford University has said that healthy individuals can use CGM technology as a preventative measure. These individuals can also use it as a fitness tracker of sorts to discover the real-time results from various foods they eat or exercises they do so they can determine their effect on their personal glucose levels. However, Senseonics has in no way signified that they will enter into this market, but it might be good for them to look into. According to critics, the biggest problems with Senseonics are the stock's volatility and competition. Let's first address the competition critique. Senseonics has the better technology compared to their competitors when it comes to accuracy and the length of time which their system can be used for. Also, the market is so large that there is enough room for a multitude of players in the industry. Now for the stock volatility, according to Portfolio Grader, SENS stock is rated as an A, which means it's a good stock. The company is anticipated to bring in anywhere from $12 million to $15 million of revenue in 2021, and they also have $178.6 million worth of liquidity and assets on their balance sheet. Because SENS's balance sheet is so strong, it's very easy to make a case to hold through volatility so we can get the great results of SENS stock growth, which we will look at right now. We are going to look at many SENS stock price targets and price predictions from a plethora of sources and analysts. So let's take a look at them one at a time. Here we see the major volatility coming through SENS stock because they have a very high beta ratio of 8.21, and with a low price target of $2, an average price target of $3, and a high price target of $4 from 3 analysts, which one says it has a buy rating and 2 say to hold the stock. This leaves us with very little upside for some stock growth. This actually leaves us with more downside than upside, but lucky for us, these are bearish price predictions until we get these upgrades, because we now get a low price target of $4.38, an average price target of $5.18, and an all-time high price target of $6.21 for this year. Also, SENS stock is meant to continue this growth well into 2025, with the 2025 price target coming in at $11.18, and by these metrics, SENS stock actually outpaces the S&P 500. Now, I personally like to trade off of the volatility from the stock because it has such a high beta ratio, and I can time my entries and exits based upon news, catalysts, and FDA approvals. Also, keep in mind that the key support levels for this stock are $3.38 and $2.86, but SENS stock looks to be extremely well positioned for investors, and if we pair that with SENS joining the Russell 3000, the news just gets better and better. If you want some great Russell ETFs, look into ticker symbols IWF and IWV. Remember to like this video right now, comment your thoughts down below, subscribe if you are new, and I will see all of you in the next YT video.